Agama Bisala Nyegi Dadioma.
Okay, so this is the map section of the program where people tell us where they're from in the United States and where they're from in Nigeria, eastern part of Nigeria. Okay. And as they do that, they're mingling with each other and networking with each other. Panonia to really Kawaria, Nege Juania, Nea, Mana, I know we will unite, I know Makamota. So I got Kawan Kayama, I will not. And then I want to teach you guys some words here. So usually you're introducing somebody who's your friend, your co-worker, your sister, your brother, okay? So a friend, you say Amy. 7 Your maga, I want to be your maga, your lover. Baby, please give it. Oh, I'm going crazy. Oh, let me be your maga, your maga. I want to be your maga, your lover. Tell me what you want. Oh, 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 hey. I just wanna know your need. Cause the way you touch the body, I like the way you do the body. Make me want to the gummy body, gummy body. Okay. Oh yeah, the popo. Baby, let me go the popo. Oh yeah, the popo.
And one thing we know is this, that anytime there's something caught in a wheel, the best way to loosen it is that you have to roll it back, pull out the problem, and then roll it forward so that it continues.
Struggle. So as we're doing this talk today, we're not only talking about the hindrances, we also want you to think about ways that we can make change, because that's what we're all about here, right?
There is no hard and fast rule.
that everybody must follow. But traditionally, you do your traditional marriage first before the wedding.
So give me your hand, I'm giving you my word. I promise I'll be loving you forever and ever. I love you forever, I'm giving you my word.
I like it, I really, really like
UIU this year in Dallas was off the chain. It was wonderful, and of course winning those tickets from Eric Airlines just took it to the next level, and I'm so excited to thank you to you all, and looking forward to next year.
Yes, definitely looking forward to next year.
I just wanted to say that I'm happy that I came to the 2013 Igbo Unite. I had a great time. I met a lot of contacts, a lot of guys, a lot of girls, and people that are really influential, and I feel like I should go back and go do something more with myself.
I live here in Dallas. This is my first UIU, and I had a blast. And there's no question I will be there in Atlanta, so I'll see you guys there.
All right, thank you very much.